Hey guys, welcome to another video. I gotta show you guys something. This is great. Yeah, look at it. Well, the driveway's finally showing. So is some grass, and I'm really freaking happy about it, you guys. We have both the cars lined up. I'm gonna answer a question that you guys were reaching out about after my POV drive with the GTI. And elephant in the room, obviously the car is IE tuned, but I went IE Stage 1 Pro with the Crackles, which completely changes the way this thing pops and bangs. And honestly, after driving both with the original file, the OEM Volkswagen file, and the IE Crackle file, it makes complete sense why IE decided to do what they did, because, well, I'll show you. So anyway, let's get this thing started. I'll take you guys for a little rip in this thing with the old file. I think I've had this tune on for 3 days and I'm already turning it off, so that doesn't paint a picture, you know. Let's put this thing actually into sport mode, because each time, just like any Audi, Volkswagen, maybe any car, you have to put it back in sport mode. So that's what's gonna enable those pops. As you guys can see, we have kind of a, I want to say gutted, but we have a less interior back there than we normally would. So you guys get the idea. This is just outrageous. And not in like a good way, in like a really like I can see that this just gets annoying. It's just so repetitive, it's automated feeling, it's... Now as far as like power, performance, how this thing pulls, feels like it would normally with the Pro versus not Pro. For 20-something thousand, I know there's like, no, this is like one of the better options. I'm sorry. The 340i with the B58. I think that's maybe Gen 1 or Gen 2. I don't know. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm talking about. I don't. But again, for the money, just with a simple tune. Cool. Awesome. So we're gonna zoot back home, and I will show you guys the process of tuning this thing. You guys have already seen a tuning video before when we flashed to the core stage 1. Essentially, that's what I'm on right now. The same tune that I flashed in the video. I decided to take it a step further off camera and put on the pops, but this video we're gonna talk to you guys, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to access these pops and bangs with a simple stage 1 tune and no downpipe. It's freaking awesome. So yeah, we'll pick up the camera when we get home. All right, you guys, we are back home, and we have our phone, our trusty phone, little Ellie. You guys remember Ellie? The Corgi ride-along videos were not a hit, but they were just way too fun to make. So before we do anything, just because I'm getting a little ahead of myself, I'm going to, I'll show you my my process, my new process, because not much of a secret anymore, but New England Pete had a bit of an issue with soft bricking his ECU. Every time you tune your car, I mean, it's better safe than sorry. You guys know how it goes. I need another hand. Hold on one moment. So we're gonna grab our extension, plug that in, grab our battery tender. This is a pretty standard battery tender. You can scoop this or maintain or whatever, tender, maintainer. You can scoop this from like any AutoZone, which is pretty clutch. Yes, you're coming with me. We have the battery all hooked up. Pray to God that should be enough time. Again, I was just driving it, so I doubt the battery will go flat, but all right. So I think you probably should do it with, I know, key in the car. So the key, I always throw it right here. So you guys can see there's like a little receiver right there. Boom. All right, let's open up our power link. Just for the sake of it, we'll put this thing in auxiliary connect. It's gonna do all those things it likes to do. Tune, boom, 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 boom. Pro, here we go. So you guys can see, so for core, I'm currently on the 93 octane, no crackles, but again, the crackles that you hear are the ones that come from Volkswagen. So this is our stage 2. I don't know if this car will ever see stage 2, but You know, if you guys really want to see it, I'll see what I can do. And here we go. So it's kind of funny. You don't have any other choice. It's just Crackles. Maybe it says something about their tune in Crackles. Maybe it's preferred to run the IE Crackles with their software. I don't know. But 93 octane Crackles. Let's flash this bad Larry. Start flash. And there we are, guys. Look at that. Took me 5 minutes. But this is going to be freaking sweet. So turn the ignition off. Let's do that right now as we go. Yeah, turn ignition off. So off. Start the car. And then start the car again. We have a check engine light, but I had that last time I did this, so it'll go away probably after like 5-10 minutes of driving it, but all right, it's gone. Gone. So, let's have some fun. Let's put this thing in sport mode. And let her freaking eat. Window. You guys will get a rough idea. Again, it should be a little more audible than it usually is. Again, these are not loud pops. It's just livable. The other L word. There they are. So sweet spot for these bad boys, higher up in the RPMs. It loves RPMs, so. And throttle. If you give it just a bunch of throttle, even if you're kind of let off at say 35, it's just gonna, yeah. So the brap sound, I will show you guys what I'm talking about. So, just because I don't want traction to cut off, we'll do ESC Sport, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'm gonna go on the throttle. I'm gonna let off like I'm jabbing basically, but like the opposite. So you guys can probably hear that braps. It's cool. It's not like the M2. It's like not super even similar, but you get the idea. We have definitely modified the daily. Just unbelievable. I'll show you guys some windows down action. It's really freaking addictive. But this one is, I think, a pretty respectable one. It's not over the top, and I think it's like the perfect amount of burble. It reminds me a lot of like the newer BMWs. So if you guys are in the market, you guys want to tune your car, I would say IE. They make the best tunes for these cars, particularly. I know that, you know, pretty much every company has a tune out for the Mk8, but I like IE's tune. I think it's a pretty conservative tune. It's definitely one of the higher, well, I say conservative. It probably, I think this is the torquiest off-the-shelf tune, or at least got to be top 3. And the power delivery, everything just feels so good. And I like to enjoy my cars. You guys know that. I mean, I warm them up. I definitely maintain them, but I do drive them and I enjoy them. I am going to clean this thing, make it less disgusting, and yeah, clean all the winter off. So anyway, we'll leave it there. I appreciate all you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and love.